Now I'd like to show you the practice grid I've included in the book. This you can use, put a sheet of paper over it, and I'll show you how to do that. To acquire any skill in the hand requires practice. So this grid will help you to develop a habituated reflex action to always begin with an upstroke and finish on an upstroke, and paying attention to your spacing strokes and pen lifts before letters which start at the 1 o'clock point, you'll be able to achieve a good result. Start by making an upstroke, M up to the red line, A, N, A, G, E, D.